What's up, dogs? I hope you guys are doing good. My buddy just hit me up. He runs out of gas. What the best way to start this vlog? So literally, I called him up. So I was like, "Yo, I need your help. I need to change my brakes on my car because they're going super bad and shit." So he was coming to my spot, and he didn't have enough gas. And that's not because he's like stingy, or it's just because his gas gauge doesn't work. So, so I have to go pick him up, and then we get like the brakes and get a jelly bottle to put gas in it and take his car over. Way too cold. I'm not even wearing a jumper. I'm not wearing anything because I just want to go pick him up quick. Shit. Yo, always, I think every car should have like jelly bottle in their car. Every people should have jelly bottle in their car so that like whenever shit like that happens, you are prepared. You can just go and get gas and go back. Imagine if I wasn't there, fam. Yo, and the funniest part is he's close to my place. He's like not far out. I can see his car. Yeah, that's his car right there. Like straight up there across that shit. Okay, let's see. You have to cross you. He has to cross. Okay, I'm gonna wait here. Yeah, cross fam, cross. That's my dog here. Yo!
I guess.
You're feeling bro. Jelly bottle?
Jerry can.
Alright, cool. And we get I get washing fruit for my shit and then get the pad. I just don't know which one. So we have to check it before we buy it, like for the brake pad.
Oh, there's just the rear we need.
Oh, are you sure though?
Yeah.
Because you told me that stuff I was hard on those at the front.
Well, it's being worn, but they're good. The front is good. It's just the back.
Alright, cool. Grand Canadian car. How is all shit? The car stuff are here.
Yeah, it is. I need to pick up a jerry can.
Yeah, so what is jerry can? Do you want to do that first? Oh yeah, here. Look at that.
Oh, it's right.
The smallest, fam. You don't need the biggest. You just to get you away of the situation. 12 bucks.
This is my second time buying a jerry can.
One here or one in Ontario.
Ontario.
That's 44. Fuck that. That's the cheapest.
44. Oh, okay, this is 12 for that. Same thing. Yeah. It's crazy. You can do the oil pan and the brakes for that car.
What do you mean?
You can actually do it. We just need this to drain out the oil. This right here. And then we need to find an oil pan. Either buy off the next car.
We need the oil pan for that same car.
Yeah, you just take it off the next car. As long as that car has a good oil pan, just take it off. Yeah, come to the gas station, it's cheaper there.
Are you sure? It's like $7 here, it's like $5 or $2.
Oh no, I mean, oh, there it is.
See, $3.
Oh yeah, it's cheaper here. Okay, the winch. You need a pink one?
Yeah, it doesn't matter, it's $2.
Okay, that's a summer.
You got summer already.
Did you mean, we're in Canada?
Okay, this one.
Then make sure it has, what is it?
199 minus 45 degrees.
Yeah, that's something you need.
Alright, cool, we're good then. We got one. Now we need the brakes. So, motherfucker got his jerry can. He's filling this shit up. Let me see how much gas. He's putting 10 gas. Oh, $5, fam. How much you put it in? The most you can get? That's like $7 already. That shit is what, like 20 milliliter? No, 5 liters. 5 liters cannot take you anywhere though.
What do you mean, to the gas station? That's where I need to go.
So I drop him off. He's getting his car. I'm just gonna put a jack on so that I'm not too cold. Is it in your hood? Oh shit. The Infinity has a button too? Yeah, that's right. Yo, that shit. Maybe that's Yo. Actually heavy. I understand now why mechanic charge a lot for the work. You busy, fam? Yeah? You cannot kill yourself for a girl. Motherfucker has a girl drama here.
From Council of Elders, blocker.
Girl drama, fam. Yo, can you see that? Yeah, fam. What do you need?
Okay, we need a tool. No, not the stick on the wheel. We need a tool to wind back the caliper, but I'll try to work something else.
I don't know that tool, so
I'll try to work something else.
Is it jam? It's me or today everything is heavy. I'm trying to lift the tire, it's not even coming off. What the fuck? To show you the message?
Yeah. Told me I'm crying, so you're still cheating on her.
What? She said you're still seeing her? Is that what she said?
So you're still cheating on her?
No. No.
I look at the rest, she's out. I'm going back to sleep. What is this?
Skeptical about the back brake. Because they were done, like, look at that. I don't know if you guys can see it, but like, right here. It's done. Motherfucker got a gun. Motherfucker got a gun, he doesn't need this. This is too arcade.
Yeah. It's not hydraulic, so I need something to wind back this. So I have to figure out something.
You see.
I need something for this. So you remember next time now, so anytime you see a cable connected to the caliper, you have to have a tool that goes in there and to wind it back.
Okay.
So let's see if this can work. Sabiq.
So what that means?
Huh?
That means I can't break anymore.
This could be why one side is done.
So that means I need a caliper.
Hey Dad. Yeah, I think Sabiq caliper is seized. Because I'm trying to turn it, but it won't turn. You use the pliers and push it in the groove and try to turn it. Yeah, you still can turn it with the pliers.
Some of them kind of seize it. So that not seize it. It's just it need a tool to turn it back in.
We have to go back to Canadian Tires, borrow the tool and bring it back.
I think it's Fredericton, it's not on tail.
Alright. Shove this one in here. Just in case the jack fails.
So we don't have the right tools, we have to go to Canadian Tire and try.
Get done.
Yeah, must have got mountain or one of them places for buy ball.
Just go straight, and you turn right. No.
Triple as my ballerina. Oh God.
So yeah, we're trying to put the gas in the car, in his car now, so that it doesn't fail on us again. And then we'll go to another store, not Canadian Tire this time. We go to Princess Auto, if that's the name, not too sure. And we should be able to find the tools to release in the caliper, bro. That mechanic shit. I think to release the button inside so that we can put the brake inside. My friend, you're not supposed to do what he just did.
Illegal stuff, illegal.
It's illegal.
Everyone know I got it. I was out Louis all on my body. I'm getting new bed, I want it. Still on my swag. Nigga wish it better. Damn it, nigga just stop it.
Motherfucker is going crazy for you guys. When you get the ticket, you guys gonna like, I'm gonna do a GoFund so that you can pay for the ticket.
Where's my income? My life is on me.
Me neither, bro. I have no wallet on me.
I don't know how I left that.
Bro, he's not manual, he's automatic. What's he doing?
Princess Auto eventually.
Yeah, I don't know anything here.
You know when the caliper wind back to you? The caliper wind back to you.
Caliber?
Do you have like a SKU number for that or anything?
Oh no, it's just a tool that winds back the caliper. Man, there's more to the message as well.
What the fuck is this?
Man,
Stop with the liquor, bro. She's trying to get wasted so she can bang the shit out.
I ain't trying to touch her.
She asked you to stop at the liquor store?
Yeah.
The same is because she's.
No, I didn't change, please.
Are you mad? You changed.
I didn't. Fuck her.
That's a bit
Can I
changed.
tell you why you changed?
That's a bit changed. Speak was on the road every day.
Exactly. Easy. I was just about to say that, but no. Then let's leave that. You've changed a lot. Because last year you were traveling from town to town. You were not in one place. You were not in one.
I don't know what the fuck you're talking about. Shut up.
But fuck you. Stop recording.
I want to deal with thingy, 15s. My stuff.
Says
Oh, this is C's. I promise you, feel it. You're not meant to be struggling that hard. This is C's.
My God.
what's that oil?
That's the oil that's sprayed on this.
Okay.
Yeah.
So he was right. The caliper has seized. So now the question is, do I want to buy a brand new caliper? Or do I want to just put the brake pad in it like that and then?
If we even put it back on, sell it, because it's getting done. When the new owner comes to buy it, they can say, yo, I can't do this noise.
Now,
It's going to depreciate the price, because whenever they test drive it, they get a lot louder.
like I said, guys, it's
So you
either I
sell
change the calipers or I just say it like that before it gets worse or so.
But when you get worse, the customers can say, yo, this is really bad.
No, it's just the brake, they have to fix it. And
Yeah,
I put it up for
price.
6,000 and 7,000, 6,000. Like the size of, like, put it up, like the car itself.
No, just add more length to the handle. Okay, we need you to hold this.
Right.
Alright.
It's turning.
Turn. I'm going backwards now.
The situation changed, guys. You just put leverage on that stuff and hold it. You were able to push that shit again. So it's not actually safe, it was just stuck. So now we just change the pads and yeah, we should be good.
What size was I using again?
13,
No, for here.
14. Is it?
No, 70 or something.
That's still good.
Yeah, so it's only that side then.
This is still good. I'm gonna show you the bad one. This was the bad one. I don't know if you guys can tell. But wait, I'm gonna show you. So here, this is still good. That was the super bad one. See how flat it is? Yeah, so that's super bad.
I can't speak. Jeremy to make it to get the coat on the wheel.
I can talk it myself.
Ringo, go.
It's my hand. I have it. It's this stuff.
Pump at the brake.
It's getting hot. Now it's hot.
Start it.
You going somewhere?
No, I'm not going anywhere.
We're just trying the brakes. I don't hear anything anymore. Control off. I wish it was a V6. It's not. Are we good? I don't hear anything. Before at this speed, when I'm braking, you hear. Oh yeah, we did a good job. Actually, you did a good job.
No, it's very good.
Nah, you did it. We good job. We've been pumping.
Brakes feel good?
Oh, we good, fam. Yeah, we good. Nothing to be scared of. Now I can race everybody. Don't try me on the highway, guys. I swear, I wish I still had either the Jetta or that freaking Mazda who had the accident with. Because I know that was pulling, because this is not pulling. But he ran out of gas too. He ran out of gas. See? Look! Oh no, he ran out of alcohol! So you guys, thank you for watching this vlog. I hope you guys learned some stuff today on brakes, even though I was bad at filming. But yeah, this was what?
The day in the life was G on Sabiq.
On a Sunday or what?
Yeah.
Take care, fam.